Have you ever wondered what would happen if you took cold showers every day for a month? Well, I did it and I'm going to share with you the results I got and the science behind it. I'll also give you some tips on how to do it right and get the most benefits out of it. Whether you want to improve your mood, your health, or your performance, cold showers can be a powerful tool to achieve your goals. But how does it work? What are the benefits and risks? How long and how cold should you shower? And how does it affect your muscle growth and fat loss? Well, you'll find out all of that and more in this video. Cold showers have become very popular lately, especially among athletes and celebrities who swear by them. And after looking at the research, I can see why they do. Cold showers can have a positive impact on your mental and physical well-being, but only if you do them correctly. Here are some of the benefits you can expect from taking cold showers regularly. Improved mood, energy, and focus. Cold showers can stimulate your nervous system and release hormones that make you feel alert, happy, and motivated. This can help you start your day with a positive mindset and overcome any challenges you face. But to get this benefit, you need to make sure the water is cold enough and you stay in it long enough. Research suggests that the water should be around 60 degrees Fahrenheit or lower, and you should stay in it for at least 20 seconds. You should also feel a deep breath when you first enter the cold, which is a sign that your body is reacting to the stress. You'll notice the difference right away, and you may even find that you don't need coffee anymore to wake up in the morning. Enhanced recovery and reduced soreness. Cold showers can also help you recover faster from your workouts by reducing inflammation, pain, and fatigue in your muscles. This is great for athletes who need to perform at their best in multiple events or sessions. But if you're looking to build muscle and strength, you may want to avoid cold showers right after your workout. This is because cold showers can interfere with the natural process of muscle growth and adaptation, which depends on some degree of inflammation. Studies have shown that cold showers can reduce muscle gains by up to 40%. So if you want to maximize your results, you should either take cold showers before your workout, at least 4 to 6 hours after your workout, or on a different day altogether. For example, I personally take cold showers on my rest days and several hours after my leg days, to get the best of both worlds. Increased resilience and grit. Cold showers can also help you strengthen your mind and develop a stronger willpower. This is because cold showers force you to face a difficult and uncomfortable situation and overcome it with your mind. This can help you train your brain to resist impulses and stay calm under pressure. This can also help you build confidence and courage that can transfer to other areas of your life. For example, during a hard workout, I use the same mindset that I use in the cold shower. I view the pain as a sensation that I can control and overcome with my mind. This helps me push myself beyond my limits and achieve more than I thought possible. So these are some of the benefits of cold showers, but how do you do them right? Well, here's the protocol that I follow and recommend. Start with cold showers and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Aim for at least 20 seconds of cold exposure, but try to go longer if you can. You can also make the water colder if possible, or use ice baths for a more intense experience. And to get the most benefits, end your shower with the cold, rather than switching to hot water right after. This will keep your body in a state of alertness and readiness for longer. And don't forget to breathe deeply and relax your muscles when you're in the cold. This will help you cope with the stress and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.